So down in your crawl space, you just need what we call a sharpshooter shovel. You can see it's got a 16-inch spade on it. And this is perfect because it's just wide enough. It's just wide enough for the pipe. A little bit on each side, gravel underneath, gravel on top, and the water gets carried away. And the way you did is the best way you can. It really doesn't matter. There's not any real secret to this. However, you can get that dirt out. You can hear me hitting the footer down there. That's where we want to be. Is right on top of or right beside the footer. You can see it goes pretty quick. And then when we're done, we just take our rake and rake this out and use the existing moisture barrier to cover it up. So once we get back to this back wall, I don't know if you can see it back there, but once we get back there, we'll bring in the pipe and the gravel and we'll go ahead and install.
Crawlspace waterproofing, digging the footer tile. Bring in the gravel. Laying your perforated pipe surrounded by gravel. Connect to your sump pit and your sump pump install.
Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.